as the channel approaches 3,000 subscribers, I just wanted to say thank you. It really means a lot to me that you are all willing to follow me along on my journey of exploration of all things horology, whether it be buying watches, selling watches, showing off watches, and learning how to properly show you a watch, or in repairing watches, which I'm learning to do as we speak. I will have some upcoming videos on a full watch service that I've done, and hopefully continue to do those for you. I really enjoy tinkering, and I enjoy the process of taking apart a watch and putting it back together. So for this video, as you saw in the thumbnail, it is an unboxing. I was on Reddit a while back and was speaking to an individual who was trying to talk about the products that they make in relation to watches, and that particular subreddit was kind of pushing him away, saying, hey, look, don't advertise your stuff here because that's not what this is for. And while I get it, I got curious. I wanted to know what he had to offer. I started looking around, and so I messaged him and I said, hey, look, I saw your products, I like them, and I'd love the opportunity to show my viewers and to give away your item to one of my lucky viewers. Now, he was more than happy to oblige. So without further ado, we are going to flip the camera around and we're going to unbox the 2 watch straps that I picked up from Blackmorn on Etsy. Okay, so before we get started today, I wanted to do a quick wrist check. I am wearing what makes me happy today, which is a Seiko 6117-6410 Navigator timer. Now, this is a very beautiful, very vintage GMT type watch. I am wearing it on what is quite honestly a very inexpensive strap from Amazon. It's the closest thing I could find to something that was somewhat accurate for this kind of watch. I am in the market for the actual OEM bracelet for this, but when the bracelet cost as much as I paid for this watch, it's kind of hard to justify. Wear what makes you happy. So Blackmorn sent over 2 items for me to unbox. Now, this is what would be standard shipping for you, and this is exactly the experience you would get. Blackmorn leather goods. Get a nice thank you card from the owner of the company. Get a QR code. Which probably takes you straight to the Etsy store. And my favorite part, you get a sticker. This is going onto the back of my computer. And now onto the actual product itself. I like this little bag. It's very cute. Very sturdy too. So he was kind enough to send over 2 straps. And I'm going to show off these straps on this Citizen Echo Drive that I have. And I'm going to show the straps off. I'm going to do a wrist check with each of the straps. And then these straps are going right back into their packaging. Because after the channel hits 3,000 subscribers, I'm going to come back to the comment section on this video. And I'm going to choose at random someone to win both of these straps. I'm going to go with the one that is most closely the color of the current strap that's on this Citizen watch here. Now, this is a beautiful alligator type leather. These are all hand stitched, and you can see here the stitching on these. Hand stitched by the owner himself. Such beautiful work. My wife's been trying to learn to do this, and she's been doing a good job. She's been doing it all by hand. You can see their logo is right here. And these are 22 mil straps, in case you're curious. But that's what this would look like on here. Kind of classy, maybe a little too classy for this watch, but Again, 22 mil. And then this one, I'm not quite sure of the design. It seems to be kind of camouflagey, I guess. Maybe that would look a little better. I don't know, you tell me in the comments down below, because that comment could be the one that wins you these straps. I kind of like this one. So what we're going to do is I'm going to pause the camera. I'm going to put one of these straps on this Citizen, and then I'm going to put it on my wrist and show you. So here's the strap on my roughly 7.5-inch wrist. Now, I didn't notice it before I started to put this on, but this strap does have a gold buckle. I mean, they're the same size, so it's completely swappable. But this is a very snazzy looking strap. And again, the quality, you can't beat this quality. It's quite beautiful. With the 7.5-inch wrist, you can see here that I've still got 2 holes left. And, you know, if you needed to resize it for yourself, you could punch holes in either direction. There's that strap. I'm going to pause, going to come back with the other strap on, just show you how it looks. Here's the other strap. Again, 7.5-inch wrist. Very, very comfortable. Both of these straps are super comfortable, and they're just the right amount of stiffness in the leather and comfort on the wrist. I'm probably wearing this a little too tight, but it's early in the morning right now, and my wrists tend to swell in the morning, so this will probably fit just fine as the day goes by. Now that I've shown you what the straps look like, let me introduce you to Blackmorn's Etsy page. So here's Blackmorn's Etsy page. Now, he did not ask me to do any of this for him. He literally said, I'm going to send you these straps. You make a video, show them off. Hopefully you get some views out of it, and I hope they get to you before you get to your 3,000 subscribers. So that was all that he had asked me to do. However, I think that the quality of these are so good that I'm actually going to buy more of them for myself, and give these away to some. And I'm going to give these, and I'm going to give the 2 that he sent me away to one of you. And I'm going to give the 2 that he sent me away to one of my lucky viewers. So as you can see, they make all kinds of leather goods. Now the pricing is in British pounds, but I can change that here. I haven't signed into Etsy is the problem. Switching over to US dollars. He makes all kinds of EDC devices and different things. This kind of looks like a turtle shell, which is pretty cool. So the quality's out there, and he does make items for, smartwatches. As you can see here, this is stuff for the iPhone, or as you can see here, this is stuff for the Apple Watch. But from what I can tell on these 2 watch straps, very, very good quality, very good detail, and very good shipping, packaging, and overall customer service. And that was just a very quick unboxing video to show you the quality of watch straps that I received from Blackmorn. So as I mentioned previously, this video is an unboxing video, a thank you video, and a giveaway video. Once my channel hits 3,000 subscribers, I am going to come back to this video, and out of the subscriber base, I'm going to pick a comment on this video, and that person is going to win both of these Blackmorn straps. A few rules. 1, you must be subscribed. And 2, you must leave a comment in this video. Now, for the sake of any kind of possible scammer or anything like that. I'm going to make another video where I use some sort of random comment picker to pick a comment from one of my subscribers, and then I'll pick an alternate in case that first subscriber doesn't respond. Those people will have 1 week from the day that I post the winner video to reply to me at bryant@reviewsfornerds.com, and then we can work out shipping and everything like that. Now, I'm not limiting this to folks in the States. However, I can only provide tracking for an item through the States. So if you are outside of the United States and you are a winner, then I will be more than happy to ship it to you. However, I can't see anything usually past it leaving the country. So if it never makes it to you, I can't do anything about that, and I apologize. I have no way to replace anything. That being said, once the channel hits 3,000 subscribers, come back. You should see a follow-up video, and I will be picking a winner then. Again, please leave your comments down below in this video if you want to be considered for this giveaway. As always, I hope you've enjoyed watching this video as much as I have making it. My name is Bryant. This is the Last Stop Watch channel. Have a good day.